Our story starts in rain and winter. Gifts that give us drops from skies. Moist and pure they touch the trees, but she responds with cold replies. Raindrops fall in love's own language, whisper soft with every breeze. Every gift is pure intention, but her heart's a chilly freeze. Moist as the rain, tender like pain, but she just turned away. All she has, cold to stay. Storms of love we can't control, rivers flowing feel the pull. Tears mixed with the rainfall story, but she's always playing cool. Moist as the rain, tender like pain, but she just turned away. All she has, cold did stay. Trees embrace the rain so gently, yet she stands apart, like winter's breath upon the land, her icy heart. So gently, yet she stands apart, like winter's breath upon the land, her icy heart.